Hi all, my scooter is not working again. I am trying to turn on the ignition and cannot start the scooter. Nothing happens. We try to start with the Kickstarter. I also can't start. Let's figure out what the problem is. First of all, you need to pay attention to the candle. Remove the candlestick. Unscrew the candle. To unscrew the candle, you need to use a special candle wrench. He enters gracefully. Unscrew the candle. We look at the condition of the candle. The candle is still brand new. First of all, you need to check for spark in the candles. To do this, insert the candle into the candlestick, turn the ignition key and bring it to a metal object. There is a spark. If there is a spark, the candle is dry, which means that fuel is not entering the carburetor. And if the fuel is not supplied, then the engine has nothing to feed on. We are looking for the cause of the breakdown. We look at the presence of gasoline in the tank. We unscrew the gas tank. There is gasoline in the tank. Why do we check the tank first? Gasoline may be there, but the sensors do not work. Next, check the fuel cock. It is located under the tank. Then remove the fuel filter. We check the supply of gasoline in the circuit. Gasoline must not flow. It should flow when I turn on the ignition or pull the Kickstarter. For this purpose, I took a disposable glass. Put a tube in there. I check. I turn on the ignition. I press the Kickstarter. Gasoline is dripping, which means everything is in order with the fuel valve. Next we look at the gasoline filter. I blew it. It is not clogged. The next step is to check the carburetor. It may be clogged and you need to clean it. The problem was resolved. I blew the fuel filter. I put it in place and the moped started up. Checking the scooter. Started up instantly. He got off with simple actions and the matter did not come to the carburetor. Look at the condition of the gas filter. If desired, you can change it to a new one. I want to bring your attention to, when I removed the pipe, it was torn. There was a big crack. When I pressed the carburetor down a little, the scooter stalled. This is because the gas-air system was discharged. Air entered through the hole. There are two options for solving the problem. First, isolate with electrical tape. The second is to put a new pipe. I got off with electrical tape and now I'll show you how the scooter starts. It starts up great. When I press my finger on the nozzle it does not stall. The scooter may also start poorly if the gas-air mixture is poorly adjusted. The work of the gas-air mixture is checked by a candle. If the spark plug is black after the engine is running, it means that there is a lot of fuel entering the engine. If the spark plug is white, then there is not enough fuel. In my case, the candle is normal and there is no need to adjust the fuel supply. The gas mixture is easy to adjust. We twist the jet with a screwdriver completely, and then unscrew it by 2.5 turns. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.